This was done for you. Hear my prayer, O Lord. Do not hide your face from me. Do you see me?
This is my friend, Nathaniel.
Yes, the truth teller. But one of the great things about you is you are a true Israelite.
What did you say about me? How do you know me?
I have known you long before Philip called you to come and see. When you were in your lowest moment and you were alone, I did not turn my face from you. I saw you under the fig tree.
Father,
There it is.
you are the Son of God, the King of Israel.
I knew it.
Well, that didn't take long.